Introduction. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be covering something very crucial for all cryptocurrency enthusiasts: how to buy and store cryptocurrency safely. Whether you are a beginner or someone with a little more experience, securing your digital assets is of utmost importance. Buying cryptocurrency. When it comes to buying cryptocurrency, the first step is choosing the right platform. There are numerous cryptocurrency exchanges available such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and others. But how do you know which one is best for you? Security. Always choose exchanges with good security practices. Check for two-factor authentication, 2FA, and other measures to ensure your account is protected. Fees. Compare the fees for buying, selling, and withdrawing crypto. Some exchanges charge higher fees, while others might be more affordable. Currency options. Some exchanges offer more variety in terms of the cryptocurrencies available for trading, so make sure the exchange you choose offers the coins you want to buy. How to buy. 1. Create an account. Start by creating an account on the chosen platform. You'll need to verify your identity, usually through KYC, know your customer, checks. 2. Deposit funds. After your account is set up, deposit funds. Most platforms allow you to deposit in fiat currencies like USD, EUR, or INR using credit, debit cards, or bank transfers. 3. Place an order. Once your funds are in your exchange account, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can place a market order, buy immediately at the current price, or a limit order, buy at a specific price. 4. Confirm transaction. After placing the order, confirm your transaction details. Once completed, you now own cryptocurrency. Storing your cryptocurrency safely. Now, it's time to store your cryptocurrency safely. Storing it in an exchange wallet isn't always the safest option, as exchanges can be hacked. The best way to secure your digital assets is by using a private wallet. There are two main types of wallets. 1. Hot wallets, online wallets. These are connected to the internet and are easy to use. However, they are more vulnerable to hacks. Examples: MetaMask, Trust Wallet. 2. Cold wallets, offline wallets. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, making them much more secure from online threats. Examples: Ledger, Trezor. Choosing the right wallet. Hot wallet. If you are an active trader or plan to make quick transactions, a hot wallet might be the best choice. However, remember to use a reputable wallet and enable extra layers of security like 2FA. Cold wallet. If you're a long-term investor or simply don't need frequent access to your crypto, a cold wallet is highly recommended. These wallets are much harder to hack. Backing up your wallet. One of the most important steps to safely store your cryptocurrency is backing up your wallet. Both hot and cold wallets offer backup options in the form of recovery phrases or private keys. Recovery phrase. This is a series of words that allow you to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Private key. This is a secret key that controls access to your crypto. It's crucial to never share this key with anyone. Security tips for storing cryptocurrency. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Whether you're using an exchange or a wallet, always enable 2FA for an added layer of security. Keep your private keys safe. Never share or store your private keys in an insecure place. Always keep them offline and in a safe location. Use a hardware wallet for large holdings. For large investments or holdings you don't plan to access regularly, a hardware wallet is the safest option. Avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of phishing attempts where attackers try to steal your crypto credentials by pretending to be legitimate sources. Always double-check URLs and use trusted apps. Conclusion. To summarize, buying and storing cryptocurrency safely involves selecting the right exchange, securing your account, and using the safest wallet options available. Always back up your wallet and practice safe storage habits to protect your assets from theft. Remember, your cryptocurrency is only as secure as you make it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest crypto tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need help with buying or storing crypto, drop them in the comments below, and we will be happy to help.